Welcome to the keto revolution. Are you tired of feeling slow and unhappy with your weight? It's time to ditch those restrictive fad diets and embrace a lifestyle change that really works. The ketogenic diet. Keto isn't just another diet. It's a way of life that can help you unlock your body's fat-burning power and achieve lasting health and wellness. This complete guide will take you through everything about the ketogenic diet, giving you the knowledge and tools you need to start this amazing journey. Get ready to say goodbye to cravings, hello to lasting energy, and watch as you achieve your health goals with ease. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has become super popular in recent years. Unlike typical diets that focus on cutting calories, the keto diet focuses on changing your body's main fuel source from carbs to fats. By greatly reducing your carb intake and replacing them with healthy fats, you force your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver starts making ketones, which are molecules that come from fat. These ketones become your body's main energy source, replacing the glucose normally gotten from carbs. This metabolic shift offers many health benefits and can help you lose weight, think more clearly, and boost your overall well-being. Think of it this way. Imagine your body is a car. Usually, we've been filling our tanks with gasoline, but on keto, we're switching to a better fuel source, electricity. This switch allows our bodies to run smoother, longer, and with less pollution. To understand how the ketogenic diet works, it's important to look at the science behind ketosis. Our bodies are designed to be really adaptable. When we eat carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which is then carried through the bloodstream and used by our cells as energy. However, when we greatly reduce our carb intake, our bodies need to find another fuel source to keep working well. This is where ketosis comes in. When carbohydrate intake is low, our bodies turn to stored fat as their main energy source. The liver changes this stored fat into ketones, which are then released into the bloodstream and used by our cells, including our brain, as fuel. Imagine a campfire. Carbs are like kindling. They burn quickly and give a short burst of energy. Fat, on the other hand, is like a log. It burns slowly and steadily, giving a long-lasting source of energy. By switching to a ketogenic diet, we're basically teaching our bodies to burn these metabolic logs, resulting in steady energy levels and better overall health. This metabolic shift is a totally natural and safe process that has been studied a lot for its health benefits. While losing weight is often the main reason people try the ketogenic diet, its benefits are much more than just that. The keto diet has been shown to improve many parts of your health, including weight loss. By lowering insulin levels and making you feel full, the keto diet helps you lose weight easily without feeling hungry. Increased energy levels. Ketones give a better and longer-lasting energy source compared to glucose, leading to more energy and less brain fog. Improved blood sugar control. Keto helps manage blood sugar levels, making it a good tool for handling type 2 diabetes. Improved heart health. The keto diet can improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and make heart disease less likely. Reduced inflammation. Ketosis has anti-inflammatory effects, which can help people with things like arthritis or long-term pain. Enhanced cognitive function. Ketones are thought to improve brain function, memory, and protect against diseases that affect the brain. By choosing this lifestyle, you're not just picking a diet. You're choosing to invest in your long-term health and well-being. How to start with keto, your step-by-step guide. Changing to a ketogenic diet might seem scary, but it's doable. First, figure out your macros. Find the right balance of macronutrients. A typical ratio is 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. Second, fill your kitchen with keto-friendly foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Third, slowly reduce how many carbs you eat. Fourth, drink lots of water. Lastly, be patient and stick with it. With these steps, you'll be on your way to a successful keto journey. Debunking common keto myths, separating fact from fiction. The ketogenic diet has had a lot of myths and wrong ideas about it. Let's clear up some of the most common ones. Myth 1. Keto is just meat and cheese. Fact. Keto includes real foods, healthy fats, protein, and low-carb vegetables. Myth 2. Keto makes you lose energy. Fact. Ketosis can increase energy and make you think more clearly. Myth 3. Keto isn't something you can do for a long time. Fact. It can be a lifestyle choice that lasts. Don't let myths stop you from experiencing the good things about keto. Delicious keto recipes. Enjoying food while on the diet. One of the best things about the ketogenic diet is that it doesn't have to be limiting or boring. There are tons of yummy and satisfying keto recipes that can make your taste buds happy while keeping you in ketosis. Here are some ideas to get you going. Breakfast. Keto egg muffins. These easy-to-carry egg cups are full of protein and healthy fats, making them a perfect breakfast for when you're on the go. Avocado smoothie. Mix avocado, spinach, unsweetened almond milk and protein powder for a creamy and filling breakfast smoothie. Lunch. Salmon with asparagus. Grill or bake salmon and serve it with roasted asparagus for a light and tasty lunch. Chicken salad lettuce wraps. Skip the bread and wrap your favorite chicken salad in lettuce leaves for a low-carb and filling meal. Dinner. Keto chili. This hearty chili is full of ground beef, veggies and tasty spices, making it a cozy and satisfying dinner. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Make zucchini into noodles and toss them with pesto sauce for a low-carb and yummy pasta substitute. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and satisfying meals you can have on a ketogenic diet. With a little creativity, you can easily find keto-friendly swaps for your favorite foods and enjoy all your meals without feeling like you're missing out. You can find thousands of delicious ideas on the Delicious Keto Instagram channel. Conclusion. Embrace the keto lifestyle for a healthier you. The ketogenic diet is more than just a trend. It's a lasting lifestyle choice that can help you achieve great health and wellness. By changing your body's main fuel source from carbs to fats, you open up a world of benefits, including weight loss, more energy, better blood sugar control, and better brain function. With hard work and the right help, you can successfully live the ketogenic lifestyle and experience the amazing power of ketosis. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards a healthier you and join the keto revolution. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching and good luck on your new keto adventure.